Oh no! What happened?
Uh-oh. Get been up, miss.
Huh?
I get been get tissue.
Tissue?
Sabi niya, I can clean up mess daw.
Get tissue.
Huh? What happened?
I got my tissue.
You need the tissue?
Yes.
What happened? Tell to Papa.
Get my tissue, Papa.
Okay, give tissue, Mama. Tell to Papa what happened.
Get the tissue.
Hmm? You wanna clean up your mess? Oh. Galing naman ang anak ko. Linis mo. Ano ba yan?
Kalat mo, linis mo.
Kalat mo, linis mo. Parang hindi nalilinis, anak. That's enough. Papa will help you. You need help? Huh? You need help?
No.
Now? Wow!
Oh, yan ang pinakitaan ka na. Oh, ayan na. Oh, may tugod pa. Oh.
Oh.
Ay! May paluhod pa.
Grabe naman kasi pag ng anak
Grabe,
ko.
oh. May paluhod pa. Ay! Ayan na, napunta. Ay!
Double purpose.
Talaga naman. Oh, matipid yun sa tissue eh. Oh, but...
No?
Do you need more tissue? You need more tissue, princess? Ayun na, naku sa mesa din. Ayun na. Ay,
Grabe kasi pag ganyan ba kasi pag anak niya?
grabe. Oh.
Huh?
Ano nagkataon niyo sa ito? Ay!
Pati naman toys. You need help, baby? Do you need help? Princess? Hmm?
Hanggang sa ano, sa itlog. Ayan na, oh.
Grabe naman kasi pag pala ng anak kong to.
Do you need more tissue, princess? Okay, give you more.
Kalat mo, linis mo.
Princess, be careful.
Sipag naman anak ko. Wait, that's enough now. Wash your hand. Papa will finish it. Okay, wash your hand. Go.
My dog.
Yeah. Go wash your hand na. Come on. Come on. Okay, wash your hand. Kanya kasi pag ang bata namin. Okay, wash your hand.
Siya rin nagkalit eh.
Okay, come on. Wash your hand. Pag naman anak ko to.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah.
Okay, what's next? Dry your hand. Okay, careful. You need help? Dry your hand. Oh, grabe naman kasi pag. Okay. Okay, don't go there. Okay. What's happening there?
Hindi na siya makapunta. Diba naman yun?
Oh, careful. No. Papa will give you tablet. iPad. Here. Come here.
No, do I get one?
You do like it?